The YouTube algorithm. For a long time, it's felt like this big, mysterious black box, right? But what if I told you that heading into 2026, it's way less about mystery and a lot more about a clear set of rules? Well, today, we're going to crack that box open and give you the strategic playbook to win the game.
I mean, this is the question. This is the one that keeps every single creator up at night. You pour hours, maybe days, into a video. You hit that publish button, and then? Nothing. Just crickets. And you're sitting there thinking, what on earth did I do wrong? But here's the thing. It probably has nothing to do with bad luck.
And this right here is the biggest mindset shift you have to make. You have to stop thinking of the algorithm as some random, chaotic force of nature. It's not. It's a game. And you know the best thing about games? They have rules. And once you know the rules, you can actually build the strategy to win.
So to win, you've got to understand what the game designer, in this case YouTube, actually wants. Seriously, everything else we're going to talk about is built on this one simple foundation.
Okay, forget every other tip you've ever heard and just focus on this for a second. This is YouTube's entire reason for being. Every recommendation, every feature, every single tweak to the algorithm, it all comes back to this one single goal. Your job as a creator is to make videos that help YouTube achieve its mission. You do that, the algorithm will make you its best friend. Simple as that.
So how does it actually find the right people for your video? Well, it's actually simpler than you'd think. It doesn't really look at your channel as a whole. No, it looks at each video one by one, and then it plays matchmaker. It connects your video to viewers whose watch history is basically screaming, "Yes, I love this kind of stuff." And this is huge because it completely levels the playing field. It means a brand new channel with 0 subscribers can go viral overnight if it just makes the right video for the right audience.
Okay, so YouTube has found a potential viewer. It puts your video right there on their homepage. And now, your first, and you could argue most important, battle begins.
This is your video's first impression, and it's measured by one critical number, click-through rate, or CTR. If people see your video but just scroll right on by, YouTube gets a very loud and clear signal. Nope, this isn't it. The test is over. And just like that, your videos reach flat lines. You absolutely have to win the click. So how do you do that? Just look at the difference here. On the left, you've got this kind of bland, generic title, totally forgettable. But on the right, that title uses a killer formula, curiosity plus clarity. It asks a question that creates a little itch in the viewer's brain, and it clearly promises to scratch it. That is what stops the scroll.
Okay, you did it. You won the click. Congratulations. But that was just the first battle. Now comes the really hard part. You have to deliver on the promise you made and actually keep their attention.
For years, we've all heard it, right? Watch time is king. And you know what? It absolutely still is. It's the most direct way to measure if your content is keeping people on YouTube. But the algorithm has gotten so much smarter. It's not just counting raw minutes anymore.
This quote right here, it says it all. The algorithm cares about satisfaction now. And a huge signal for satisfaction is completion percentage. Think about it. Someone watching a 30-second short all the way through sends a massive signal of, "I liked that." It's way more powerful than someone clicking on your 10-minute video and then bailing after just 60 seconds. And of course, the algorithm looks at engagement, but it's smart enough to know that not all engagement is created equal. A like is easy, right? It's a low-effort click. A comment? That takes more thought, so it carries more weight. But a share? Oh, a share's the gold standard. When someone shares your video, they're basically putting their own reputation on the line to recommend it. That tells YouTube your content isn't just good, it's genuinely valuable.
So, beyond just one video, the algorithm is looking for patterns. Does someone watch one video and then disappear forever? Or do they subscribe and this is the important part, do they come back for more? Getting someone to return is a massive vote of confidence. It tells YouTube your channel is a destination, not just a one-hit wonder. That's why creating a series is such a brilliant strategy. It literally trains both your audience and the algorithm to keep coming back.
All right, let's get into the newest, most exciting parts of the playbook. These are the real game changers for 2026 that you absolutely have to get right.
The Shorts algorithm is, well, it's fast and it's ruthless. Your short gets thrown to a small test audience immediately. The algorithm is basically measuring one thing. Are people swiping away, or are they watching it, maybe even rewatching it? If you can stop that swipe, the algorithm goes aha and pushes your short out to a way bigger audience. And it happens fast. 1.5 seconds. That's it. In the world of shorts, that's all the time you have to make your case. If your hook isn't immediate, isn't powerful, isn't grabbing them by the collar, they're already gone. Next video.
Now, for a really huge development, something that's defining 2026, AI. The algorithm is getting incredibly good at sniffing out low-effort, lazy AI-generated content. It's moving past just looking at keywords. It's starting to analyze the actual value and originality of what's being presented.
Now, let's be super clear here. YouTube isn't anti-AI, it's anti-lazy. If you're just copying and pasting a generic script and using one of those robotic voices, the algorithm knows exactly what that is: low-value filler. But if you use AI as a research buddy, as a co-writer, and then you inject your own personality, your own stories, your human voice, well then the algorithm sees that as high value. AI is a tool, not a replacement for you.
And this brings us to the final, and maybe the most important rule of the modern YouTube game. That old advice of upload daily no matter what? It's officially dead. The 2026 algorithm would much rather see consistent quality than just sheer frequency. 2 amazing videos that your audience truly loves are infinitely better than 7 rushed ones they just ignore. The goal is to build trust, not just to fill a calendar.
So there you have it. The algorithm isn't some monster hiding in the dark. It's a system with one very clear goal. We've shown you how to win that first click, how to earn the watch with content that truly satisfies, and how to master the new game changers like Shorts and AI. The 2026 playbook is in your hands. So the only real question left is, what's your next move?